Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke uthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje wakhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje so ungakwenza lapho ucindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba ekulethele lona namhlanje sekuvele ku-ANC laphana-ke wakhipha izimfihlo-ke ezinkulu-ke laphana-ke phakathi-ke kukaZuma-ke noRamaphosa-ke waveza okuningi, waveza nanokuthi-ke uZuma umzonda ngokukhulu ukuzimisela-ke uRamaphosa-ke waveza nokuningi-ke okunye, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina wezwa ngamudlalela-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ngawakho amandla. Ngicela kulaphana ukuthi masuzwile-ke le video ungene ema-comment section ufike ushiye umbono wakho-ke masucinza nebhathini lapho-ke usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
He knows that he's not a member of the ANC.
Yeah.
But he wants to play victim. So I'm not surprised.
You're not surprised?
He always succeeds in that.
No, but my question is, you said you're only half surprised that he went with the MK.
I didn't think that he would go to the extreme of going to another party.
Yeah.
He was a spoiler in the ANC all the time. He hates Cyril with passion. Okay. Now, to a point of thinking that ANC belongs to Cyril. We belong to the ANC. It is our party. It's not Cyril's party. Cyril is president number 13 of the ANC. There were 12 others before. Many of them committed mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay. But they are presidents of the ANC. I never thought that he would go to the extreme of going to another party.